Well, my name is Michael Merritt, and I thought I better give this tutorial, as you call it, because reading, some people don't like to do much of that. So let me explain. For all of you out there who think I'm going to do some time for these charges I got, let me break it down. First of all, you will not find a single case, charge, or complaint that doesn't involve Kelsey, Jackie, and Chris on me within the last year. Not one. Okay. We'll start with the Renee case. Every single thing they got on me is circumstantial. They have no evidence of the case at all. Me and Renee got into an argument on Facebook. So what? I sent a message to his wife. He states that. Okay, so what? What else do you got on me? Go ahead, I'll wait. Messages from me and Kelsey fighting? So what? She was getting paid for sex in a motel. Who would not be fighting? You ain't got nothing you can use. You got Renee. He admitted. I messaged his wife. Then he came to my house. Who would not be angry at that point? So how are you going to say he wasn't there to retaliate? He was drinking and driving, and he came, and there was a gun in his vehicle. He claims I shot him. He ran and got it and fired a warning shot. I don't know who fires a warning shot after being shot, but that's his claim. Driving around drunk with a gun to my house after I sent a message to your wife telling her that you're having an affair. Yeah, I'm sure I'm the guilty party here. Justin Williams. I put on Facebook 2 months prior that he was a drug dealer with the text messages that show him selling the drugs to somebody. Still on there right now. You can go look. What do they got on me on this case? I was wearing a bulletproof vest and I had my shotgun while walking Tony Kelly home, so I knew the incident was going to happen. Yep, sure did. Tony came and told me it was going to happen. So I armed up and put a vest on so I didn't get killed. What do you got other than that? Nothing. What do I got? Kelsey was sleeping with the guy. He turned around 3 times and came back at me again and again and again. There's witnesses to this. What can you do to me? Go ahead, I'll wait. Jackie Atkins. Aggravated assault with a deadly. I've got a letter where he threatened to kill me. I've got statements all the way back to August, which is before me and Renee even got into it, him talking to people about killing me. He also fucking Kelsey. Okay. What do you got on me on that? That I told you I pulled a gun on him. Yes, I did tell you I pulled a gun on him because I did. Did you get my whole story? No. Did you even request my statement? No. You just arrested me because you're a dumbass. To go with everything else that you're going to lose. Okay. I understand. Then you threw in dangerous conduct because the shooting of both guns. But it's only lethal to 75 feet, and no one, other than the person I was shooting at, was within 75 feet. So where do you get that? No one was in any danger. So there goes that case. Now, we got Jackie all the way back in August talking about it. Talking about killing me. You got Chris Carrasco, who keeps inserting himself into the case. Every single case. Who is talking to Jackie and going off on Kelsey about me and her having a child together. You got Renee, drunk, driving around with a loaded gun, and came to my house after I told his wife about his affair, but he was here to talk. Okay. Conversations with him and Jackie since then, talking about how I need to be killed and that if I come and mess with him, he's going to kill me this time. Okay. What do you got on me? Nothing, buddy. But I've got 5 years of Crystal charging me with everything in the world and losing. I've got 5 years of cops charging me with everything in the world and losing. I've got Crystal writing a statement for Chris Carrasco to stop me from getting my daughter, or not even getting my daughter. It was just a DNA test to see if she is my daughter. Crystal interfered in that. That's what I got on Crystal. Chris inserting himself in every single case. Well, now we see why. Now we see what the payday was, what he was getting out of it. Crystal was going to back him and keep my daughter. Kelsey letting these guys trick her dumb butt. She's the one that got the guys to come after me. Whining and crying because, guys can't turn down a pretty face and tears. But what do you got now, Kelsey? You got a background check that I understand you was a minor, 14 years old. You didn't know to think about that. But you got one now, don't you? It goes all the way back to him in Florida robbing people. Yeah, that's why I got statements from a thief, a burglar. I have no criminal history. But this burglar who got with a 14-year-old girl, molested her for 2 years before they got married, where she had to threaten her grandmother into her dropping out if she didn't sign the papers. She getting married to this loser who lied to you for 6 years saying he did never do nothing wrong, that you got him in trouble on his first case. But he's not going to molest our daughter. He didn't set all this up. I'll tell you what. Tell me one lie I ever told in the 4 years before they found out we were messing around. Tell me one and I'll go plead guilty to all the charges right now. You got my word. One lie. 4 years. Tell me. Crystal, you're going down. All the rest of you are going down. Jackie, get over the gas, boy. You hung yourself when you let me get that phone. And I have messages from you telling people I was trying to get you to give me the phone. Now you want to say I stole it. Good luck, buddy.